Hello all of you, welcome to my video once again. Today's video is very special because I am not alone. After a long time I got a chance to record a video with this friend. That's why I am so excited and probably my friend is too. I have just arrived here and as you can see this place and incredible. I am not going to tell you about this place. So we will have a conversation in English. So this video will be very interesting. Hopefully you will watch this video till the end. So let's get started without further ado. Okay bro, how have you been?
I have been doing great. What about you?
I have been doing great as well. What's your name?
My name is Tanmay Mukherjee. You call me Tanmay.
Okay Tonmoy, how old are you?
I am 21-year-old.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 3 people in my family, including me.
Do you have any siblings?
No, I have no sibling. Only I have an elder brother.
Okay, where do you live in?
I live in Barasat, which is located in North Chব্বিশ Pargona in West Bengal.
Okay. Currently what do you do?
I am doing as an AC technician.
How long have you been in this field?
Around 2 years.
Why did you choose this type of field?
Because I like to do technical work. So I like this field.
And you have learned a lot of things, am I right?
Of course, because I am still learning and I am working in a shop.
Okay. Then let's talk about leisure time. What do you do in your leisure time?
In my leisure time, I like to do watch podcast because I learn lot of things from the podcast.
Do you learn English, everyone?
Of course,
Why?
because English is an international language and English opens many doors in the future.
You are absolutely right. English opens many doors to the future. So I don't want to make this video longer. I am going to end it. So that's all for today. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day.
Ta-ta.